Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 2 of this build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we already started doing the level 1, but we're not finished yet. So we're going to continue working on this. So I'm going to go to insert and then load more families. And then right here, we could add in lighting, architecture, and then internal. Let's add in a table lamp and then press open and then go to architecture and then component. We're gonna add it right here, also here, and at this area as well. We're gonna change. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this to 635 and then put this back. Let's also add one on this area. So we could just select this and then create and then press copy, so CO, and then let's add it right here and then this one as well. So it looks good there. And let's go back to inserting more stuff. So let's add in some casework for the kitchen. So let's add in base cabinet. Actually, if we add this, it will create a bigger file. So what I usually do is just the countertop. So I'm going to use this. It will just represent that we have a kitchen in this area. So click on spacebar so that to change. And then we could just stretch this. So if you have a block for a fridge, you can actually add it right here. So for now, we're just gonna leave it like this. And then if you have a stove, you can also add it on this area. And then let's move it a little bit like that to center this. And then let's add in some couch here. So I'm gonna click this and then CS. And then actually I need to rotate this. So I'm adding it on this area and then use your arrow key. And then let's add in some circular component. So it will be a table. So furniture, table, and then go back to architecture and then add it like that. Looking for a smaller one, but there's none. So we could just add it for now, or we could look for a smaller from those tables. Which we don't have. So that's fine. And then let's go back to seating. Let's add that seating like that. So rotate it around 45 degrees. Something like that. And then let's load a nice door for the main entrance. So let's look at residential. Double. Let's add this one and also this. Press OK. You can actually select a specific size there, but I just want to load everything. And you can always purge it, and then it's up to you afterwards. So once you purge, you could go to manage and then purge, and then it will delete all the unused blocks that you have, which I usually do when it's like when I'm in the finish stage. So I don't usually do it right now. So I'm just gonna add it like so. And then I'm gonna reuse this and then add it on this side. So it looks better like that. I want to look at some plants that we could add it here. So we have planting here. So might as well check it out. Scrub. I'm looking for something that it's in a plant. Sorry, in a pot. But looks like we don't have. So might as well just load up different kinds and then see which ones work. Mostly it's for presentation wise. So let's just load this and then go to component and let's see. It's too big. So let's look for a smaller one. So maybe I'm gonna look for a plant. So what I load up is the scrubs. So here we have zero point 0.9, zero point 0.8, so it will fit on our area. And this is just to represent that we have some plants loaded here. So let's use that zero point 0.8 instead, or zero point 0.9, this one 0.8. So let's just add it right here on this spot. And also here. Maybe we could just edit this and make it smaller. So basically I double click it and then you could go to the family, and I want to look at it 3D, just a representation. So I don't know if we could edit this. Uh, so I'm just gonna load it back. So for now this will work. So next thing, let's start doing the stairs. So go to architecture and click on the stair. And I'm just gonna add it like here, going up and going like that. After that, I'm gonna edit how big it is. So I'm gonna finish this, and then after that, I'm gonna move this wall, and then after that, I'm gonna unjoin this wall afterwards. So this wall is hidden, and then we could add a door here later on so that we could represent this as a storage below the stairs. And then lastly, let's add in the door right here. So actually, before we finish here, we need to add in some windows. So I'm gonna load some window family. So go back to the folder and then click on Windows. And here these are pre-made window families, and we could select some. So I kind of like this one, and then the arch. So I'm gonna open this, and then just click on window, and it will be there. So I'm gonna add a window right here, and also a window on this area, so the living room. And then in the bedroom right here, and one right here as well. And then after that, we could add in this window casement, or this double hung window, and we're gonna place it here on the toilet, above the toilet. And then why not add in a door right here going outside? But I wanted a sliding door. So let's add in a sliding door right here, which is too big. So maybe we could just load in another door. So residential. I like this one. I feel like this is too big. So maybe we could just use the this one as well. Just gonna move this somewhere here. And then what else are we missing? Let's add in the room tag. So click on edit, and then we could show the area. Press OK. And then let's add in this one. This will be, let's add in first, and then so with this one, we can click this, and then after that, we can actually create a boundary line. So just use room separator, and then let's separate this area. So now once we tag in the room, we could just place it right here, and this will be separate on those. So this one will be the whole thing. This will be living, dining, kitchen. So I'm just changing the scale. So that one will be, and then let's change this one to be bedroom 1, office, bedroom 2, and then let's add in another for this, which is the washroom. We can also tag the entryway or the stairs, but it's good for now. And then this will be the parking. So we could stop here for now, and then let's continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.